Google AdMob pays app developers based on various facts, including ad format, ad performance, geographic location of users, and user engagement. AdMob operates on a pay-per-click or cost-per-click model, meaning that developers earn revenue when users click on the ads displayed within their mobile apps. The amount earned per click can vary widely, ranging from a few cents to several dollars or more, depending on factors such as the competitiveness of the keywords targeted by the ads, the quality of the traffic, and the geographic location of the users clicking on the ads. Additionally, AdMob may also pay developers based on ad impressions, known as cost per 1,000 impressions, where they earn revenue for every 1,000 ad impressions displayed in their apps. The revenue generated through AdMob can also depend on factors such as ad placement, app category, and user demographics. Developers can optimize their app's ad placement and users' experience to maximize ad visibility and user engagement, thereby increasing their AdMob earnings.